Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to quickly show you how to add an email to a list in GetResponse. First, log into your GetResponse account. Once you're in, head over to the Lists tab at the top of the dashboard. Next, find the list you want to add the email to and click on it. Now, click on the Add Contacts button in the top right corner. Now you can choose here how do you want to add contacts? I will choose one by one, that is manually. Here, simply type or paste the email address, fill out any necessary details, and hit Save. That's it. To see the newly added contact, just click this list and here you can see the contact you have added. And don't forget, you can get a 30-day free trial by using the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.